Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by finding the TV buttons. Don't wait for a remote. Press the power button so the set is on, then inspect the bezel for menu or input. Once found, use a flashlight to read small labels on the side or rear. Make note of the current picture mode and brightness percentage if shown, because you may want to return. If buttons are stiff, press firmly but gently. You are preparing the controls for the next navigation steps. Now navigate the on-screen menu with the physical buttons. Press Menu, then use the directional keys to reach picture or display settings. If there is no labeled menu, try Input then long press Menu. Once inside, cycle through picture modes like Standard, Cinema, and Vivid to see how they affect brightness. This gives a quick baseline. Then adjust brightness and backlight individually. Backlight changes overall luminance while brightness shifts. Finish by saving your settings if the menu requires confirmation. Otherwise, exit and observe for a minute to ensure changes stick. If the set won't show a menu, try known button sequences like holding menu plus volume down for several seconds, or use a smartphone IR app if your phone supports it. Make sure to power cycle the TV once, and if the image looks wrong, reset picture settings to default, then reapply brightness. If problems persist, contact support, note model and exact steps you tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.